In 2025, the world is witnessing an AI revolution unlike anything before. At the center of this storm is DeepSeek AI, a Chinese powerhouse challenging giants like ChatGPT, reshaping markets, and even causing a $600 billion tremor in Nvidia's stock. Today we explore how DeepSeek is rewriting the rules of AI, what it means for China's global dominance, and why Silicon Valley is scrambling to keep up. What is DeepSeek AI? Launched in 2024 by Chinese entrepreneur Liang Wenfeng, DeepSeek AI is a cutting-edge language model built for precision and efficiency. Unlike traditional AI, it uses a mixture of experts, MOE architecture, activating only 37 billion of its 671 billion parameters at once, to slash computational costs by 30% while excelling in tasks like coding, math, and logic puzzles. But its real superpower? Cost efficiency. Trained on a shoestring budget of $6 million, compared to ChatGPT's $100 million plus development, DeepSeek delivers comparable performance at 1/30th the cost of OpenAI's models. And it's open source, allowing developers worldwide to tweak its code freely. How DeepSeek outshines ChatGPT? Let's break down the showdown. Technical mastery, coding and math. DeepSeek solves complex problems like the zebra puzzle in seconds, outperforming ChatGPT in accuracy and speed. One developer even noted it cracked a coding challenge that stumped ChatGPT. Cost per token. At 0.55 per million input tokens OpenAI's 15, it's a game changer for startups. Creativity versus precision. ChatGPT shines in storytelling and casual conversations, but DeepSeek's responses are structured and analytical. For instance, when planning a trip, ChatGPT lists high-end hotels, while DeepSeek focuses on meal plans and safari essentials. Censorship versus freedom. DeepSeek avoids politically sensitive topics, e.g., Taiwan status, due to Chinese regulations, while ChatGPT offers broader discourse. Open source innovation. DeepSeek's MIT-licensed code lets developers build custom solutions, a flexibility ChatGPT's closed system can't match. The Nvidia crash and market shockwaves. In January 2025, DeepSeek's launch sent shockwaves through Wall Street. Investors questioned whether Silicon Valley's AI spending spree was justified. Nvidia, the chip maker fueling AI growth, saw its stock plunge 18% overnight, a $600 billion loss, as markets feared cheaper, efficient models like DeepSeek would reduce demand for high-end GPUs. But this is just the beginning. Analysts warn that DeepSeek's success challenges the bigger is better mantra, proving innovation doesn't require billion-dollar budgets. China's AI ascent and the U.S. response. With DeepSeek, they've shown they can rival and even surpass U.S. models. China's edge, state-backed funding and a focus on open-source, cost-effective models position China as a global AI leader. DeepSeek's rapid adoption, topping U.S. App Store downloads, signals shifting user trust. America's countermove. The U.S. is investing $500 billion in AI infrastructure to avoid falling behind. Companies like OpenAI and Google are doubling down on multimodal AI, voice, image, video, to stay relevant. But the question remains, can Silicon Valley's giants adapt to a world where cheaper, faster, and open models dominate? The future of AI, a global collision course. The AI race isn't just about technology, it's about power. China's trajectory. Expect more models like DeepSeek, specialized, efficient, and politically aligned. China aims to dominate industries from healthcare to defense using AI. Silicon Valley's fight back. OpenAI and Google will likely focus on ethical AI and niche features, e.g. ChatGPT's Canvas editing tool, to differentiate. The wildcard, collaboration. As Professor Neil Lawrence of Cambridge notes, This is just the tip of the iceberg. Hybrid models combining DeepSeek's logic with ChatGPT's creativity could redefine AI's future. DeepSeek AI isn't just a chatbot, it's a symbol of a shifting world order. With China rising, Silicon Valley sweating, and Nvidia reeling, one thing is clear. The AI revolution is no longer a Western monopoly. Whether this sparks collaboration or conflict, the stakes have never been higher. Stay tuned. The next chapter in this saga is being written right now.